and Namaskar. I am Binu Verma Waghela from Mumbai. This is my entry for Chaturastra Awards. I am a modern Indian woman to whom 60s shaped, 80s bloomed, 90s flourished and 2000 stabilized. After an accomplished career in corporate communications for nearly 3 decades, I am on to doing what I like the most, that is writing, reading, traveling and singing. I have authored an English poetry book, Life and Existential Cocktail. I have also anchored a book on alternate energy, that is Energy Swaraj. I like to do commentary on socio-political issues. A merit position holder in Senior Cambridge, I pursued English honours from DU's prestigious college with Masters in Media Studies. Having been travelled in India and abroad, it has helped me develop a global perspective. While I have won accolades for my writing and communication skills, it did not come naturally to me. It is the result of incessant labor and hard work done for years to create that perfect piece. Slowly and steadily, I graduated from poor expression to excellent expression, though not without its sweat and toil. I have witnessed national integration from close quarters, being born in Bhopal, childhood in Jhansi, Hardwar, Hyderabad, Bangalore, moving to New Delhi for higher studies and schooling. I was positioned as class 1 officer in UP government in Mayawati's regime. It was followed by Cities of Dream, Amchi, Mumbai for some very challenging career choices. Here only I hung my boots or I concluded my work life as executive editor at highly prestigious IIT Bombay. Having studied in Kendriya Vidyalayas across the country, Indian cultural heritage, music, dance, literature and festivals instilled me a deep nationalism in me, I can say, and I personally carry nationalism on my sleeve. I believe nation first. I am a proud Indian national and proud Indian woman. Though life has not been a bed of roses, but I took challenges by horns and opportunities by heart, and it has made me won several accolades. लाइफ में बहुत सी कठिनाइयाँ आई. वो समय था जब बहुत सी लड़कियां बहुत अलग करियर ऑप्शंस नहीं देखती थी. करियर चॉइसेस तो हमारे होने से पहले ही डिसाइड हो जाता था कि हम डॉक्टर बनेंगे या इंजीनियर बनेंगे या क्या बनेंगे. लेकिन I made a very different career choice, which was media studies, and faced lot of resistance on that account. लेकिन I was determined कि शायद यही मेरी calling है. वो एक बड़ा challenge था. उसके बाद work atmosphere in Indian scenario was not very conducive for girls to work. ये आप सब अच्छी तरह समझती हैं. आज का टाइम नहीं था, बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट टाइम था. हम लोगों को बहुत तरह के चैलेंजेस फेस करने पड़ते थे, घर में भी और ऑफिस में भी. लेकिन अगर कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती, मैं भी उन्हीं में से एक हूँ. और आई बिलीव एंड प्रैक्टिस लुक लाइक अ गर्ल, एक्ट लाइक अ लेडी, थिंक लाइक ए मैन, वर्क लाइक ए बॉस. अगर आपको मेरी जर्नी इंस्पायरिंग लगी, लीव अ हार्ट, लीव अ लाइक. It will inch me towards winning that prestigious award. Thank you. धन्यवाद.